Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make simple ponytail hairstyle. For this I'm going to be making use of this pre-stretched attachment. There are 6 in it, so I'm going to be making use of just 3. So please watch how I do this, and if you are watching my video for the very first time, I would like you to click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification to always get notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you all.